Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I will be sharing with you all that how I managed to score 100 on 100 in science class 10th boards. So I will be talking about the YouTube channels that I have followed, any additional resources, then how crucial previous year question papers are, how I used to read NCERTs and make notes out of it, and everything. So stay tuned with me till the end of the video. So let's get started. So firstly the main thing is understanding your syllabus, कि आपको पता होना चाहिए कि आपके एग्जाम में कौन से चैप्टर्स एंड टॉपिक्स आने हैं. सो द फर्स्ट थिंग इज़ दैट इट इज़ वेरी क्रूशियल टू अंडरस्टैंड द सिलेबस वेल. सो डाउनलोड इट, go through it once, you can just read it thoroughly, right? So next one is how I used to read NCERTs and make notes. So I used to read it after watching lectures on YouTube. Now you might be wondering that which lectures I'm talking about. So I will be sharing that channels that I followed after in this video only. On the side of the page, what I used to do is I used to write the previous year questions of that chapter and MCQs if I get from some resources, and I used to highlight the main reactions, and most important, you have to focus on diagrams. They will ultimately help you to fetch good marks. So my motive was to keep the resources limited and revise them multiple times. So as you can see in the video now, that is how I utilized NCERT, and you can use some sticky notes as well. And if you want me to make a separate video regarding this, do let me know in the comments below. After that, the main question is what are the YouTube channels that I have followed. See, everyone have different ways to learn, and I will be sharing what really worked for me. So firstly, I used to watch the videos of Sangeeta Khatri ma'am. Now let me tell you that not many people know about her. Yes, she has good a number of subscribers, but still, so I wanna just tell you that her teaching style is just, I would say, excellent. The way she explained कि आपको एक बार में topic समझ आ जाएगा and your concepts will be clear. The main thing is the duration of her videos is not too long, so आप अच्छे से concentrate कर पाओगे. And so I highly recommend checking out her channel. I'll drop the link in the comments as well as the description below. And I used to make the concise notes while watching her videos, so you don't have to watch the videos blank, that you just started the video and you are just watching. You have to make some notes out of her video, and it will ultimately help you to get the concepts more quickly and easily, right? Second one is Alak sir of physics wala. Now everyone knows about him, he is well known, right? So I also referred some videos of him for few chapters. After that, I wanna share with you that after watching videos of Sangeeta Khatri ma'am, I used to follow some different teachers as well for physics, chemistry and biology separately to learn more. And so talking about chemistry, I used to watch the lectures of Anubha Gaur ma'am. So that are on Vedantu channel. So her explanations are very clear. You can check it as well. I will share all the links in the description below. Similarly, for biology, you can refer to Shubham Pathak ma'am, and for physics, Abhishek sir from Vedantu is there to learn from. Now let us talk about some additional resources. Now Shobhit Nirvan's notes were also very useful for me. अगर आपने अपने notes बनाए हैं and आपके concept clear हैं, तो his notes are way easy to understand. I used to just go through his notes once कि मैंने कोई topic miss तो नहीं किया, and if so, I used to do value addition from his notes into mine. Next one is previous year question papers. Now instead of doing full mock examination like sitting for 3 hours and solving, what I used to do is I used to download the previous year question papers and I used to note the chapter wise questions. Like अगर मैं 2 chapters like complete किए हैं, let's say मैंने second chapter ले लिया acids, base and salts वाला, मैं वो करनी. So after completing that chapter, मैं उस पर्टिकुलर चैप्टर के प्रीवियस क्वेश्चंस नोट कर लेती थी एंड आई यूज टू सॉल्व दैट क्वेश्चन. आई थिंक इट विल सेव योर टाइम बाय नॉट लीविंग द प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन पेपर फॉर द एंड, दैट आई विल डू व्हेन माय होल सिलेबस इज कंप्लीटेड. सो यू कैन फॉलो दिस एज वेल. At last, I would say कि revision is the key. Go through sample papers, revise your notes properly. It's not that you have made notes but you are not studying. You are going to multiple resources, like this course has come, so I will also do this course. Just stick to some resources. Now stay positive. Stay positive throughout your preparation. Every teacher has something valuable to offer. So follow the one that you think is the best for you. All I can do is I can just share my learnings with you all. At the end, you all have to put in the efforts, and yes, that's all for this video. do give a thumbs up if you found something helpful and share with your friends. So thank you so much, and do comment if you have any questions. I would love to hear from you.